the species value system. So I went to Hartford to get totally like a ghost land. Probably everyone hear all the shootings every time. Plus, they have all the people involved with that owning the clubs. Those retired standing officers, like a Dilla family, associated with the child offenders, little fakes. Charlie Bowles, never had a conversation with him in my life. Make sure that's noted. The rest of the Fox CT media and stuff like that. It's aggravating because they have fake positive everywhere, making the place garbage every place. You know what I'm saying? It's disgusting. Do something about it. Fix the fake news. That's all you have to do. Follow the rules. You break the rules. Attach people to fake conversations. Then you send in people with sensibilities, but then they don't know what I'm talking about. In other words, you deal with acts in sequence. In other words, hurry up too. Hurry up, Fox CT, fix your news. WTNH, fix your news. WFSB, especially, fix your news. Fake stories. Report on that. I've been asking you. It's recorded that the state's attorneys are also involved with corruption. They're hiding from the Attorney General of the United States. Probably with the state Attorney General too, if they have one, whatever that is. I'll go. But they're with real bad things, boxing. Hurry up.